right, I just got this. It's a non-expanding, kink-free garden hose. Water abrasion, resistance, and twist-free. It's 100 feet of hose. A hose. So let's hose it up. Let's take a look at it, see what the heck it looks like in here. Oh, here it is. Now, yep, there it is. There's one side of it. And here's the other. So we're going to try it out and see what we think. I'm going to put it in the backyard. So let's do that right now. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and hook this up. I guess it does come with these right here. I didn't even look in here to see if they're on there. There's one on here. So this part apparently goes on the goes on here. See if you can see what I'm doing. I gotta put it on that. Let's go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna get it on there so it doesn't leak. I need you guys to see this mess. Here. So what I got to do is get this all laid out and all right, you guys are gonna have to watch because this is great. I don't know. That's a lot of hose, man. What do you guys think? Let's just go ahead and put this on. Try it out and see what we think. Alright, so this is ready to go. So I'm going to turn this on here. Right? There it goes. Just watch it. See how she does. Here we are. And as you can see, but I don't know about this. That's so much hose. I don't know. We'll find out. All right, so we got the hose ready to go. Now what I've got to do is I got to feed it through here, like this, and just pull it all the way through. I think I'm going to set it here for that, so I can get it all coming through here. It's going to be a lot. All right, so you can see how much we got. We got the water on. It goes through there, and here's how much we've got. So you just got to make sure it doesn't get kinked up, because if it doesn't get kinked up, then you're good, and then your water will squirt. So you can see I got good water pressure, you know? So yeah, I think it's going to be good. So yeah, there we go. That's our new hose. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out. Boom. Done.